Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to my channel. This is Everyday AI and me, and I am V. Welcome. This video today is going to be on pet care. Um, Everybody has a dog or a cat, and I know everybody gets bombarded with the pet products that you see on social media like Facebook, Instagram, where they're $30 for a 30-day supply. When you start stacking them up, you can no longer afford a pet. So I wanted to tell you that there's a way around this. And as I mentioned on my intro video and on the recipe video, if you've seen those, um, there's nowhere to run, there's nowhere to hide. If you make a product, I have a way around paying a tremendous amount of money for it. So we're going to do a dive in on two products. One is a dental chew, a chew for yeast, and the other one is a dental product. Sorry. So I'm going to share my screen and you can follow along, and hopefully you will see the power of ChatGPT. Thank you. Go there. Okay, now that I'm on a shared screen, one of the products that I want to pull up is the Pet Lab Probiotic Chews. This is supposed to be for dogs that have yeast issues. So I was very intrigued. What is in it? So I just put that in there and I asked Chat what's in it. So now I'm getting a list of all the ingredients. Okay, so now, okay, I want to see if I can make this at home. I want to see if this is something that I can have a recipe and make myself, because it's pretty expensive. Well, let's see. How much is it? $35 for a 30 count. Wow. So that's $35 a month. Okay, so give me a DIY recipe to make this at home. So there's the ingredients. I don't understand. Is it just probiotics that you're paying $35 for? Okay, so is it just the probiotics that are preventing yeast? Okay, so okay, so it is the probiotics and the fiber. Okay, so there's a recipe for me to make it at home and the ingredients. Based upon this recipe, how much will it cost me? And look at that, she breaks it down by the measurements and the cost of each ingredient. And so it will cost me around $2.95 to $3 per batch. How many servings are in a batch? 20 to 30 small chews. Now do you see when I say the power that ChatGPT gives to us? I just saved myself about $32 a month, and now my dog has the same. But I want to take it a step further. Hold on. Can I add anything that can help control the yeast in my dog even more? Yes. Coconut oil, apple cider vinegar, and turmeric. Okay, so redo the recipe to make a even better product. And as I would always say to my kids, how do you like them apples? So this is just one product. Now let's dig a little deeper. That was a chew, a dog chew. Hang tight. Let me find something else. Okay, now I want to go on and show Pet Lab Dental Formula. Staying with the theme of dogs. What is in it? It's when everybody sees on Facebook with the dog with a really tartar mouth and brown teeth, and this shows how amazing this is. So that's what's in it. So here we go. Give me a, wait, how much? I want to know how much it is, because sometimes it's not cost effective to do this. Is it? How long does a 8-ounce bottle last if used as directed? I can't stop talking as I type. I know, I mean, you don't even have to worry about having captions on with me. Okay, so it's supposed to last 1 month. So right now, Pet Lab has us at $70 a month for our dog. Okay, so now I'm going to say, give me a do-it-yourself recipe to make at home. I don't even have to say to make at home. You just say, give me a DIY recipe. Now, what I want to compare, this is where I go back up. Sodium, now if I can't pronounce this stuff, so there's citric acid, sodium bicarbonate, and zinc glutamate. So, I want the recipe to mimic their product. Okay, that's better. Did you notice it was so different? So sometimes you have to pay attention. You can't just run with everything that she says. You have to ask questions. And I mean, this is in life in general. So anyway, she gave that. Now watch this. This is really cool. And she gives you instructions on giving it to your dog as well. And she tells you issues. Now, where can I buy the ingredients? Provide links and prices. Then give a total cost of recipe for 30-day supply. Okay, so she gave me the sodium benzoate from Amazon, sodium citrate, estimated cost. Wow, see, cost per 30 days. Oh, $44 for all the ingredients. But then a 30-day supply should cost about $1 to $2. I found, though, some stuff isn't. Unless you buy in bulk, it's actually cost prohibitive for me to make it at home versus just buy it. And I'm not going to take the time. If I can save $2 on a product and making it at home versus having somebody make it for me, I guarantee you they're going to make it. It's not worth my time. But right here, it showed you that it is worth our time. She can give you links. Like, for example, let's say that I want to find this. She had something in there that she didn't include the link on, by the way. I noticed that. Oh, it's just baking soda. That's why. Distilled water. That's why. Okay, peppermint extract. So get source the best price on highly rated peppermint extract. Obviously, you can get it in the grocery store, but that's McCormick. So you can even get it cheaper at Olive Nation. So right there, and again, if you're going to make this repeatedly, um, you could spend $1 or $2 a month on your pet for this and the yeast product that helps, like if you have a bully breed or very yeasty dogs with the ears, they're rubbing and stuff, then this can help. So this is how ChatGPT helps me on my day-to-day purchases, day-to-day. If I see a product and I want to know how it's made, this is it. So you've seen that. I appreciate it. I'm going to upload so many more videos showing a deep dive. So we've taken a product, what's in it, broken it down. How much does that product cost for a 30-day supply? Give me a recipe for me to make it at home. How much would that cost? Where do I get the products from? And she gives you all the instructions, everything you need, any product. Well, I hope this has been helpful. And if I stepped above your level of comfort, there's a lot more videos that's coming. Some will be super easy, basic, and others are going to be quite complicated. A little forewarning, there's going to be a 23andMe raw data deep dive. So wait till you get into the genome stuff. So that's coming. Please like and subscribe. Have a great day.